Hey you. Yes, you. Me? No, not you. The person watching this video. Who's watching? I don't know. Could be anyone. So then how do you know who you are talking to? You and your dumb questions. Let him talk. I'm talking to my audience, okay? I just wanted to point out before we start that you can get all the full tutorials on my website, portraitartacademy.com, and the link is below the video. Right now we have a discounted price, it's very affordable, and for just a little bit of cash you can draw amazing portraits. That would be nice. Yes, you are certainly not good at it. But for the people watching this, there is still hope. How to hold a pencil. Of course you know how to hold a pencil, you've been writing your whole life, right? But there is a different way. There's two different grips, and I'm going to show you that in this video. So first, the tripod grip, which is what you've learned to write with when you were a kid. See? Just the nice scribbles that we learned to write as a kid. And you could do really small details, it's nice. I mean, look at all this. But if you draw a bigger circle or a bigger line, it gets a bit more complicated because all you're doing is moving your wrist. But then when you go the overhand grip, so you place your finger on the pencil and basically your whole hand over it, and you control the pencil with your finger, now you can create bigger movements with your shoulder and go faster. You're not stuck to that little grip, and as you can see, you can create, even with the pencil not being so sharp as cutting it with a knife and sharpening it with a knife, you can create thick and thin lines simultaneously. And you can shade it really well too if you use the side of the pencil. And you can also, see that's the thing, you can still create those thin lines if you use a pencil in a certain way, you draw vertically. But you can also draw thicker shading lines. Yeah.
The tripod grip is better.
No, the overhand grip is better.
Tripod grip is better.
Overhand grip is better. Tripod.
With the tripod grip, you're actually kind of limited to the movements of your wrist. And you can feel that too if you start practicing it. With the overhand grip, however, you're using more of your shoulder to draw, and so you can make bigger movements and there's more flexibility.
This is important to master as an artist.
And switch. And switch. And switch. And switch. And switch. And switch. And switch.
Why is this so difficult? Tell me.
I just can't do it, man.
Why did you ever start an art career?
What is the deal? Stupid pencil. Stupid pencil.
You are so incompetent.
This is worse than knitting.
Just look at yourself. Are you even trying? Incompetent. Unbelievable. I have no words for this. Look, is this just holding like this and like this? That is all.
I don't know, I just keep dropping it. It falls out of my hands.
Here's the overhand grip. You can draw a straight line very easily. The second one's not so straight. But it's a little easier because you can go faster. So you don't have to like... Our hands are naturally wobbly. And so if you draw the lines faster, usually it's easier to draw a straight line. You can also draw a straight line with the tripod grip, but a lot of people end up sketching a line and then it gets all choppy. You see what I mean? See, and the same thing is true for circles.